Let's look at the Sofi. Which one's modded? Unless it's just a color.
Oh, it's just a color. Whoa, look at that clearance.
Be kind.
You know, these might be... I think these are replacements. I think someone 3D printed these. Look at them. They look 3D printed.
Actually, you're right, they do look
Yeah.
3D printed.
And you see the top? How it's like not flat. It's all like swirly. It shows the layers. I think these are all 3D printed.
They look very similar.
Yeah, but look at the alarm
Yeah.
button. It's funny.